nation. Cost savings. The lower maintenance costs and reduced need for fuel make autonomous electric vehicles a more cost-effective choice. Safety. Autonomous driving technology eliminates human error, which is responsible for the majority of road accidents, making driving safer for everyone. The combination of electric and autonomous features offers a more convenient, affordable, and safer way to travel. In conclusion, autonomous electric cars will change the way we drive, live, and interact with our environment. By 2025, we will see a world where self-driving electric cars are the norm, offering eco-friendly, safe, and efficient transportation. With continued advancements in AI, battery technology, and smart infrastructure, the future of transportation looks brighter, greener, and more connected than ever. Title: The future of transportation is rapidly evolving, and at the forefront of this transformation are: by 2025, self-driving electric vehicles will become an integral part of our daily lives, offering a cleaner, safer, and more efficient way to travel. In this video, we will explore the groundbreaking advancements in, their environmental impact, and how they are set to revolutionize the way we think about driving and mobility. Autonomous electric cars are the perfect combination of two cutting-edge technologies, and these vehicles are powered entirely by and can operate without human input, thanks to their key features. These cars use and to drive themselves, eliminating the need for human intervention. Autonomous electric cars are not just about transportation, they also promise and more driving experience. The car runs on and that powers the motor. These batteries can be charged through or home chargers. AI algorithms process the data from sensors and cameras to make real-time decisions, such as steering, braking, and accelerating. The combination of and creates a vehicle that is, and. Since these cars run on electricity they produce, helping to reduce and fight. With the shift towards sources like and, the carbon footprint of electric cars continues to decrease, making them even more. Autonomous electric vehicles are playing a crucial role in, and more future. Electric cars are significantly cheaper to and than traditional gasoline-powered vehicles. With fewer moving parts and no need for frequent oil changes, electric vehicles, EVs, are more in the long run. Autonomous electric vehicles offer and rides without the noise and vibration of traditional engines,